What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. So what we're going to do is we're going to discuss on why this is the last probably buying opportunity for Jasmy to get in at under 2 cents. So what I want to do is basically give you an insight to what's going on in the markets, giving you guys an understanding of what you should be doing while these markets are bleeding out like crazy. Now, obviously, we're getting the bleed out because of liquidations of people taking profits, because everybody wants to obviously make money in this market. So that's our main focus, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can get notified when these videos come out. Also, guys, this is not financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. However, I do study cryptocurrency and Jasmy in general. So what I want you guys to do is just learn and try to make the best educated decision that you can make as a crypto investor, especially investing in Jasmy coin. So let's try to knock this video out in 10 minutes or less. All right, guys, first things first, let's head over to the laptop and see where Jasmy is sitting today. All right, guys, on the charts today, we're sitting at 0.0176. Now, I drew these areas out last week, or yeah, maybe about last week or maybe even the week before. But I kind of knew that Jasmy was going to go into these areas because you have to understand in trading, Jasmy has what's called fair value gaps on when we reach a height right here, almost to that 3 cent level. In order for a healthy project to be healthy, we have to see those gaps get closed, right? So you can't have a cryptocurrency or anything in that matter go up as high as Jasmy did without coming back with a correction or, you know, some sort of liquidation, because at that point, it wouldn't make sense for investors to be investing in cryptocurrency. So this is why you guys should not worry seeing Jasmy come down to these levels. We seen a telltale sign when this candle right here wicked down to that 0.15 level. So we knew that it was just a matter of time till Jasmy came down and touched that level. But the positive side to it is that we will retrace back up. And, you know, this is where we get, and it's like I said, I believe we're going to hit that 5 cent level before the Bitcoin halving. And I kind of put that out there in my live so you guys could, you know, go back and look. But I believe now we're gearing up right here. When we get that bounce back up, it's going to be a big one. And I think it's going to take us, you know, to that anywhere from, you know, 3 to 5 cent level, maybe even higher than that, because, you know, historically going back, looking at Jasmy performance, we have a lot of room. If we go, let me see if I could pull it up right here. We have a lot of room going back to, if we widen the range out and we go to the weekly, you know, you could see how much room we have to go up. And I believe we're going to hit and retest this level right here at that 5 cent level for Jasmy. Once we bounce out of this little correction here, I'm hoping we go another, you know, 1 or 2 weeks, maybe even 3 in consolidation, and then, you know, being able to finally test that level of, you know, 4 to 5 cents. And I really see this happening. So this is what's pushing me for this content behind this video. So let's talk more about that. So with all the corrections and everything going on with Jasmy, now it's time for us to understand that what is next for Jasmy. So going forward, what is next is that we're going to correct off of this, and we're going to be able to, you know, retrace up into those 3 to 5 cent levels. And I'm hoping we do this within the next couple weeks. Obviously, there's been some big liquidation behind Bitcoin. And I think the liquidation is coming out of Bitcoin and will start flowing into Ethereum. And then once Ethereum breaks, then we're going to see Jasmy start to moon up into those 3 to 5 levels, 3 to 5 cent levels before we hit the Bitcoin halving. And that's kind of where I predicted Jasmy being. So what do we do now? So my methodology behind it was trying to give you guys, you know, buy the dip. If you can, continue DCAing into Jasmy, continue buying the dip. There's a lot of positive catalyst for Jasmy coming out. We have some information that I'll be covering in another video talking about how Jasmy start to position themselves on a global level. They're positioning themselves in Australia and other countries, and even in Silicon Valley, we have the Japanese government basically putting out a startup for cryptocurrency in Silicon Valley. So you know, these are all positive catalysts to show that Jasmy has opportunity to venture into the United States. Also, you know, with Junction coming out, and then the Q4 lockup finally is on the horizon. We will see some demonstration of what that's going to do for you know, the project and the coin. So this is all positive information. So there's a lot pushing Jasmy to continue going up to the upside, and we're going to see those 5-cent levels. So what happens if you invest today? Well, let's take a look. So let's actually take a look and see if we invested in Jasmy coin today. You know, do we have a possibility of actually, you know, being able to make some money? And these are the levels that you need to be investing in Jasmy right now, because, you know, we've already seen Jasmy at 2 cents. We've seen a correction. Now it's time to jump back in, or jump in for the first time. So let's see if we were to, you know, purchase 1 million tokens. I mean, obviously that's going to be quite pricey, but, or let's say we put in, you know, $1,000 at the current level of what Jasmy's at right now, at that 0.01775. Now, let's say we hit that 5 cent mark by the Bitcoin halving, or before the Bitcoin halving. Obviously we're only going to make about 2,816. So we'll have definitely $1,000 and 1,816 bucks as profit getting into Jasmy. So basically, you know, you're doubling up on your money. So let's say we put in 10 grand. You know, I don't know what your situation is, but obviously that would be $28,169 on return if you were to put in 10 grand. Now, here's the deal. You know, Jasmy, we're seeing, you know, we could see this continue to move past the 5 cents. And, you know, let's say we bought in today at $1,000, and we're going to continue riding Jasmy through the next couple of waves into this bull cycle. So we see Jasmy at 5 cents. They're definitely made some money on that, 1,800 bucks. Now, let's say we get up into the 15 cent level. So at that point, you're already up about $8,450, $7,450 in profits. Jasmy going to 25 cents would definitely put you in a better position. At $1,000 today is a 14,084 return with a 13,084 in profits. Now, if you diamond hand Jasmy to the $1.25 mark, you know, that would put you in $70,000 profit. And, you know, you continue holding to the $2.25 mark. That would put you in $126,000 profit. So it all depends. You know, if you get in today, you know, how high can Jasmy go through this cycle? I believe this is going to be one of the biggest cycles that we've had in a matter of years, obviously, because Bitcoin has brought in tons and tons of money from the Bitcoin ETFs, and then we have Ethereum ETFs coming out. So where would you be in profit if you got in today? This may be the last opportunity, because let's look at what happens, you know, if you miss this entry at 0.0177 and you can't get in until we're at, or if you decide to get in at 3 cents, you know, and we go back and put Jasmy at 25 cents, you know, so the profits are obviously down a little bit, you know. So it all depends where you guys get in, and that's the thing. This may be your last opportunity to see Jasmy at this 0.177 level. Let me just go and double check that, but I'm 100% sure that's where I said I thought we were at. Yep, 0. So even now it's already going up. So the 0.01784 level. So, you know, you got an opportunity to get in. This may be the last opportunity you have, especially with Bitcoin doing what it's doing, Ethereum doing what it's doing, and Jasmy already moving up. So don't sleep on it, guys. So guys, that's all I got for you guys, because I don't want to go over 10 minutes. We already are over 10 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Guys, check out the 10X Squad Patreon. The link is in the description if you guys want to get deeper into your portfolios and learn how to maximize your portfolios and get the most bang for your buck, guys. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Peace. Take care. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys on the next Run My Crypto video. Make sure you guys are liked and subscribed so you don't miss out ever. Take care.